AI is not a trader that can translate your words into a code. Your logic fail, the EA will fail, losses, huge losses for you. In the metadata, we will compile, debug. So based on this prompt, it will create a final EA, yes and no with a true false. So I could select which indicator I want to use. Welcome to the third class of this course where we are learning how we can make a forex trading board for MetaTrader 5 by using the AI. In the last classes, we already learned the basic and important steps and parts of a program. And also in the last video, we already set up a gem MQL5 developer for us to develop MQL5 trading boards. In this specific video, we will learn about the prompt engineering because garbage in, garbage out. Based on this concept, if the prompt is useless, our final EA will also be useless. There are a lot of retail traders who give wrong commands that I will show you with examples. So here, first of all, I will log into the Google Gemini and then here I will go to gems. Here below you can see the last created gem. I will simply click on it and it will be open. MQL5 EA developer. And here we will write the prompt to create and develop an EA. But before writing a prompt, it is very important to show you few examples of failed prompt. If you write a prompt like this, so you can see, write me a highly profitable MQL5 trading board for your USD that make 10% a month with very low drawdown. Remember, AI is not a trader. It's just a translator that can translate your words into a code. That's it. All depends on your logic. If your logic fail, the EA will fail, you will make losses. Let me show you another example. Here is the other example of prompt. Let me code a simple MQL5 expert advisor buy when the 9 EMA cross above the 21 EMA and 5-minute chart and sell when it cross below. And sell when it cross below. Again, this prompt will make losses, huge losses for you. So here let me show you another example. And now here you can see all these prompts. You can pause the video and read these prompts. All these prompts can create a trading board for you, but that board will never make any profit for you. So as per my experience, we must have 4 parts in a prompt to make a profitable EA. So every prompt must have at least these 4 options. The first one is the resources that will be used in this EA. For example, if we are using some moving averages, ATR, or any other indicator, we will mention that indicator and the default setting of that indicator. In the second part, we will explain exactly when to open a buy and when to open a sell. We will explain the entry points. In the third part, we will explain exactly how to manage the open trade. For example, the break even, the trailing stop, or partial close, or all operations related to manage a running trade. And in the fourth step, we will explain when to exit a trade, with what conditions the trade will be closed. And now here I will simply paste my prompt. You can pause the video and read this prompt. Here I already worked on it. Here is my prompt based on these 4 steps. Okay, so you can divide into 4 or maybe 5 or 6, any steps, but you need to decide when to open a buy, when to open a sell, what indicators to be used, and when a trade should be exit. So here is my prompt. You can get exactly this prompt from the description of this video. So I will simply click on. And now it may take few seconds to few minutes to write the code of an expert advisor. As you see here in the prompt, I clearly mentioned in the last that ask for my approval to write the MQ5 code. And here I need to read all this plan and understand exactly if the AI understand my requirement or not. I just finished reading and understanding this plan. So here I want to make few changes. I will say here on the top you can see it says or print strength filter like ADX or ATR. So I want to use these both indicator with the yes and no with the true false. So I could select which indicator I want to use from the input settings. So I will write. So I just simply say use both ADX and ATR for trend strength filter with the true false update plan. So now it will update the plan, and in the next step I will again review the plan and verify if everything seems good. Then I will accept the plan and we will move to the EA development phase. Okay, so finally the plan looks good. So I will simply say yes, plan approved. So that's it. Now it will write the MQL5 code, and that's it. So this is the proper way of writing prompt, making a plan, and then you must review the plan to verify if everything is fine as per your requirement or not. If you see something is changed or anything, you can again prompt to the AI to update the plan. And at the end, once everything looks good, you simply say yes, the plan is approved, and the AI will start writing the code. In the next video, we will write the actual code of the MT5 EA, and then we will copy paste into metadata. In the metadata, we will compile, debug all these stages, and finally we will put that EA on the chart for the optimization and backtesting process before using it on live account. For now, that's it, and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.